So it's the end of January and I realised I haven't done a harvest video, so I thought I'd just quickly take you through the table and just show you sort of what we're harvesting at this time of year, what's coming from the store, what's coming fresh from the ground and what we're buying from the supermarket. There's a couple of things. So we are buying nice little tomatoes from the supermarket, but the Brussels sprouts are ours, fresh from the ground. Straight from the store. These are the last of the tough ball onions. We've got loads and loads of red onions still in the store and loads of these little shallots as well. And quite a few, maybe 1% of the red onions are starting to sprout. And they have been progressively over the last month or so because it was quite a mild autumn. But the garlic is fine and the vast majority of the red onions are fine. So we're just using these. They're still quite edible, really quite nice actually. Beetroot from the ground, a mix of goldens and reds. I haven't touched yet the beetroot in the store. That should keep us going for another few months. And the onions and shallots should keep us going basically until we have onions again. Yacon, got a couple of months of yacon from the ordinary part of the store, and then we've got some better kept stuff that's in these sealed containers that should last probably another month or so. So not too bad. Look a little bit wizened, but actually when you cut them open they look absolutely gorgeous still. So don't get sort of hung up on the appearance of the skins. They're fine. Loads of potatoes. We always have potatoes, so we never run out of potatoes. Not many apples left now, but still really nice quality apples, so a bit of a treat. Loads of carrots. We always have carrots, so we shouldn't run out of those. We've probably got about a month and a half, 6 weeks worth supply of Brussels sprouts left. And squash, Crown Prince squash, we've got enough of those to last us until May. I'm hoping, if all things go to plan, we should have courgettes again by then, so hopefully we'll not run out of something from the squash family. Tatsoi, a few weeks worth of tatsoi probably, maybe a month if we're lucky. And then it tends to go to seed. We've got new tatsoi in the ground though, so we're not far behind. We might have 1 or 2 weeks when we haven't got any. Red cabbages, still got, I think I've got 5 weeks of red cabbages left. And by then, I'm hoping that the kale growth rate has picked up a bit, because otherwise we'll be pretty short of brassicas, but I'm pretty sure that that's going to happen. Right now, I've bought a Savoy. We ran out of Savoy last week. And I'd want it on the table just to show you that we have had Savoy all the way through January, but this week we've bought it and we'll probably carry on buying it until the brassicas really pick up again, because we had a bit of a disaster with the Savoys this year. Spinach, we've always got spinach. This is lovely spinach quality for the salads, and then all these things are for the salads. So we've got the beet leaves looking lovely. A couple of smoothie mixes, sort of spinach and beet leaves and chard leaves and things like that. More lovely spinach for the salad mixes. Asian greens for the salad mixes. That's on this red stem pak choi. It's quite a beauty really. And these are just so nice. So these are bull's blood beetroot leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they look beautiful, but quite a nice taste to them as well, and a nice texture. Really good. And miner's lettuce. I've got loads of lamb's lettuce in the ground as well, but I haven't got any space on the table to pick it, so left that in the ground for them a bit shorter. And there's still a nice selection of lettuce leaves. I'm quite pleased with those. So I'm going to make up the salads now, and then you can see the sort of final result. And I'll call it a day. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel. I'll see you soon.